Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is April 9th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see the futures are trading higher by 12 3/4 points to 26.18.5 per contract. This comes after the market was slaughtered on Friday, but markets are rebounding up today. We'll see how it plays out. These markets have been very, very volatile over the last several months, and I expect that to continue. But let's take a look at some stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. First stock we're going to take a look at is HLT, which is Hilton Worldwide, and you're going to see that stock is trading higher. I believe that's on the back of earnings. Stock closed at $77.51. It is now trading at $79.04. So again, good little pop there. There's some resistance in play, but again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. Buy some chance. If the stock gets up to around 83 1/4, maybe $83.15, around there is massive resistance. So just keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Already, even at where the current level at 78, you can see there's resistance already in play. So again, lots of resistance in play for Hilton, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at General Motors. GM stock is up this morning on the back of an upgrade, getting a nice little pop. Right now trading at $38.49, closed at $37.68. Full disclosure, I do own call options in General Motors. Let's take a look at BIDU, BIDU. Stock right now this morning is trading at around $233.90. This is on the back of an upgrade. Stock closed at $219.82 on Friday, so this is a good little pop-up for BIDU this morning. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I really had BIDU penciled in to go a little bit lower before it went higher, but nonetheless, this is a good gap up, so we'll see how this plays out. And once again, it is on the back of an upgrade. Boeing is in the news this morning. BA right now trading at $331.75, up from $326.12. Looks like they received an order from American Airlines for 87 Dreamliners, so that's a positive there for Boeing, moving higher this morning ahead of the opening bell. This stock has been a powerhouse. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see if there's any levels. Right now, when I look at the stock, I have to think it could have some upside to around the 337 area. So keep that on the radar if you own it. Trail the stop loss, see if it can get up to that 337 level. That will just be an intraday resistance point around 337, maybe a little pierce of 337. But nonetheless, it does have room to run. Let's take a look here at MRK, which is Merck. It looks like they're positive on drug data. Stock closed yesterday or Friday at 53.36. It is now trading at 54.62. So this is a decent little push here for Merck. I don't see a lot of downside in the cards, so I actually like the stock down here at these levels. We'll look at the pattern once the opening bell rings. Here we have a takeover today. It looks like AV. Let's take a look. AVXS is being bought out by Novartis. It looks like that's an $8.7 billion deal. Wow. So if you own this on Friday, this stock, I believe, was trading around $115, now trading above $209 a share. So if you own it, congratulations. Take the money off the table or trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, there's really not a lot you could do here. That is a great move on a takeover. You're going to get lots of other little biotechs running on that news as well, so keep an eye on them. Let's take a look at NVS, which is Novartis. Stock right now is trading at $80.89, closed at $80.20. So all in all, great move for that AVXS, and Novartis coming in off the highs, but nonetheless, that is still positive on the session, so we'll keep that on the radar. Deutsche Bank got a new CEO. This stock's been under pressure. Stock is getting a little relief today, trading at $14.31. Look at this bank stock, though. This has been a dog with fleas, and again, you got to be a little bit careful even with this news. New CEO coming in cannot fix all the problems at once, so we'll see how it plays out there. Let's take a look at CMA, which is Comerica. Looks like this is on the back of an upgrade. No volume really behind it, but nonetheless, nice little pop to $97.94. We'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is just up 70 cents this morning. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at around 126.42. up just a few pennies from the close on Friday. Crude oil this morning trading at around $62.72 a barrel. That's up 65 cents. Take a look at the USO today. You'll see that's getting a little bit of a pop, trading at around $12.66. So there you have it. And once again, if you have not done so in 2018 and traded in the intraday stock chat room, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial. We've been on fire. It's been a great 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. Again, the chat room has just had great gains this year, and we're going to look to keep it going. Come trade right alongside of us, and you'll see exactly what we do and how we do it. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.